So to install your towing hitch on your Nissan Armada, all you need is either a Phillips screwdriver or your drill with a Phillips head. The reason being is because you're going to find these screws and they are a Phillips head. So I want to show you from beginning to end how to install the tow hitch on the Nissan Armada. Alright, if you're gonna have to put the tow hitch on your Armada 2020, this is what you need to do. Or I guess it's on all Armadas. I just happen to have the 2020. Alright, so at the bottom of the rear bumper, you'll see there are two screws. One on the right side, one on the left side. So you unscrew those and you'll be able to install your tow hitch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I got my power tool. One. Two. And now from the bottom, you pull down, push up, and this will come out. There you go. So again, once you have it like this, you pull from the bottom, push up as you're turning the back, then you pull out. As you can see, you have the teeth right here, which is what hooks to this part right here, and also you have this teeth right here that latches into here, and then of course the bottom, which it screws in here. Alright, so now that we have that open, we're going to install the tow hitch. So the tow hitch comes with a safety pin. Pull that out, remove this piece right here, and then you're going to see when you install this piece, you need to make sure you align the holes between the tow hitch and the attachment on the vehicle, so they have to be aligned so you can insert the safety pin again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's heavy. Alright, and now I need to make sure I align where I'm going to install the safety pin. So right there, it's aligned. Now slide the safety pin in. And now inside the install the safety clip. That's it. Just like that, you have installed your tow hitch on your Armada. Alright. Alright. I hope this has helped you figure it out and help you install your tow hitch. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Oh, one last thing right here. So where you have all the attachments for the trailer to hook up the brakes, the lights, and all that good stuff. So that was the last piece I was missing. All right, so if you like this video, hit like, subscribe to my channel, where I post more videos of different things, and thank you for watching. See you next time.